the famous Nworie River in Imo State, and one of the indigenes of uratta took us round and told us a story about the famous python that lives in Nworie River. This python is regarded as a mighty deity in uratta, which people are not allowed to kill, because if you kill the python, there is a serious consequence that follows it, unless such person performs the rituals to appease the gods. From everything we gathered, the stories he told us, we understood that such incidents have happened before at Alvan Ikoku College of Education, now Alvan Ikoku University of Education, some years back, when students saw a python in the school premises and they killed it, which warranted some kind of commotion in the village, to the extent that the village heads and the traditional head known as Onisiala in Igbo language have to step in and told the Alvan community the consequences that follows the killing of a python.
Yeah, I forgot myself. Eke Nworie. My Eke Nworie was on the mind. And they did the farm more. More than enough of one. And I say when him in was it far. More than enough. And I say when him in was it far. And therefore, I can have here. Give boya anyhow. But the see boya, they got quite a mamma again. Yeah, because you go out. Mamma again, you get the so I began to get him in Alvan 2 or 3 years ago. He will get away from Alvan. My career, Abraham was having him to initial.
Almost school,
almost school, for an Alvan, almost school. Abraham was having him to initial. Abraham will have a man, Pala, to do whether in Alvan. So I even had him to initial, for some again. Apasala, the Chinese, or everything the good at and stop on Alvan. Was the point that I know the biggest in Alvan now, or visually not from me, they got me and gone with giving care. That's because this one I ever animal me. I know you put money to stop that man. But talk each other, get the guinea. But the unknown guy who did not know the Chinese again. I got the flag on, Miss Agala. For instance, you can't see a Java. Oh, we put my man weekend Java now. They are very big at one. I need a minute back. Oh, you wake it, would you? They get me to initial. You're going to dig in a bar. Because I'll gonna let me head up to you. I gave me here. That go no lemon. I forget my name. Get with your bush. Oh,